In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the search bar to create visualizations in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. FDI users can create visualizations directly from the homepage search bar using natural language questions without the need to find a dataset or create a workbook. In this scenario, I'm a supply chain analyst and I'd like to use the search bar to generate a chart based on sales data that I'm familiar with. I'll begin on my home page where I can enter a natural language question directly into the search bar. I'll type create a bar chart of transaction quantity by week for the last summer. The search bar has two functions. I can search for content like datasets and workbooks, or create visualizations using natural language. I'll select the suggestion to visualize data using this prompt. FDI can generate a visualization based on my natural language question using external context knowledge like summer season weeks to filter this visualization. I can also check which dataset or subject area was used, or switch to the other suggested data sources. For example, if I want to view transaction data from SCM cost accounting, I can select it from the drop-down menu and the chart will update accordingly. I noticed that most of my orders came in on July 16th. I can change the visualization type, resize it, or add it to my watch lists. I can select Explore as a workbook to analyze this chart further. Now that I have created visualizations using natural language questions through the search bar, I can quickly generate insights without building a workbook from scratch. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.